When it comes to finance, we all talk about popular names like PhonePe, Cred, Paytm, Zerodha, Grow, or BharatPay. But this fintech company is quietly transforming how small businesses operate in India. This is none other than Razorpay. 5 years ago, small businesses were scared of using UPI payments. 10 years ago, businesses were uncomfortable with online payments. If we go back to 15 years ago, small businesses were very uncomfortable with credit card payments. Because the whole process was complex, features were expensive, payment collections from customers was a big bottleneck. That changed when Razorpay stepped in. You see, the Indian economy is not built by just few top rich businessmen. It is built by lakhs of small and medium businesses who are the backbone of the economy. Small businesses are booming in India thanks to the digital economy's rapid growth. In this video, I will take you through Razorpay's growth and how Razorpay is empowering small businesses in India. Let's get started. First of all, what is Razorpay? Razorpay is a fintech company based out of Bangalore. Started in 2014 by young under 35-year-old entrepreneurs Harshil Mathur and Shashank Kumar. By the way, they are the youngest billionaires with a net worth of 8,643 crores each. Razorpay is a payment gateway platform. What does it even mean? It gives finance infrastructure for businesses to collect payments from customers in any methods the customer wants and provide complete payment management through a seamless dashboard. From a very simple operation point of view, I will give you an example. I have published a video editing course on my website. At the backend, I have integrated Razorpay Payment Gateway. The website is running on Wix.com. Wix is a website builder, very easy to build websites. Just drag and drop method. Works seamlessly like a PowerPoint presentation. As a first step, I created an account in Razorpay. Though I have not promoted the editing course, I didn't want money to go to the Ivory Tower business account. Let me give you an overview of my business. Ivory Tower OPC Private Limited is my main brand and business. At the back end, I have 74 Films Studio, which is sole proprietorship. The first step was setting up Razorpay account using my 74 Films Studio. The second step is completing the profile. We need to provide documents like GST, proof of address and identity proof, etc. Then add the bank details. If you are using it for personal payments like freelancing, right, then you can set up with your savings account. If you are a business, then you need to give current account because it is mandatory. Once all the documents are submitted, Razorpay will review the details and activate the account. Once active, in the next step, you can go to the dashboard and get the API for the website. So what I did was copying the API from the Razorpay and pasting it to the Wix payment settings. Basically, that's it. Any payment happens on my website will directly be handled by Razorpay and money goes to my studio account. Now, as a business owner, I have integrated Razorpay at the back end. When a customer buys the course, he gets payment options. This is where Razorpay does its magic. The customer selects whichever payment method he wishes to and completes the checkout. The payment will directly go to the Razorpay account. Though most of the things are automated, there are still verification checks and within 1 or 2 days, the money will be sent to my studio account. This is my website process. If you are a freelancer, I understand you may not have a website. From the Razorpay dashboard, you can create payment links. This can be shared on email or WhatsApp and people can click on the link and directly send you the money. The entire dashboard use of Razorpay is free. If Razorpay is giving away such awesome infrastructure, then how do they make money? Razorpay does not charge for the technology used. All their tools and entire platform is free for use. But when the transaction happens, they will charge a fixed commission of 2% plus GST. If the transaction is international, it will be 3 to 3.5% commission. Razorpay has many features and one of them is invoice generator. You can generate GST invoices using their platform, but I have never used them because they automatically print Razorpay logo on the invoice. Since I use my own design, which was designed on Photoshop, I don't use external apps for invoicing. This helps if you are a freelancer or small business. And if you are running a shop and need a physical QR-based point-of-sale machine or for swiping the cards, Razorpay has covered that too. For bigger companies, they have a very good product called Razorpay X, which gives a complete banking solution, managing payroll dashboard, salaries for employees, filing of TDS, employee PF, professional tax which gets deducted from salaries, insurance, etc. What Razorpay did was taking away all the headaches of payment processes. Earlier, it was very difficult to do things by ourselves. Now, business people can focus on the business rather than focusing on these finance headaches. Because they solved this major bottleneck in the finance process, they have been earning very good revenue. Let's see the revenue growth in the last 4 years. In 2021, they were less than 1,000 crore revenue. Next year, it nearly doubled to 1,481 crore revenue. It increased to 2,500 crore revenue last year. Let's look at 5 reasons for this massive growth. Reason number 1, early recognition of the problem. The founders identified the significant challenges Indian small and medium enterprises face with digital payments. They worked on solutions specifically for Indian ecosystem, largely the startups. One of the methods was UPI, which has seen explosive growth in the last 10 years. In many videos, I have appreciated about UPI, but no matter how many times we say good things about UPI, still not enough. Let me say this one more time. One of the best things India has done in the digital space is UPI infrastructure. Reason number 2, comprehensive product dashboard. I love this part of their product. Seamless online payments is one side. On the other side, the dashboard suite gives full stack finance solutions. Reason number 3, focus on small and mid-sized companies. Razorpay specifically targeted the undeserved SME and startups by providing user-friendly integrations, digital onboarding process, especially for startups. Reason number 4, innovation in the infrastructure. From the beginning till now, they have been adding new features to make the system faster and faster, and also using AI features to detect frauds and improving the card security. And also, they kept bringing the payment failure rates down and down. Reason number 5, capitalizing the digital revolution of India. The government pushed for digital transactions, and at the same time, Razorpay started building digital finance infrastructure. Again, UPI picking up rapid growth. On top of that, lockdowns forced people to go contactless. And not to forget Ambani for building 4G network for the masses. And this increased internet penetration, especially in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. All these helped Razorpay at the same time. And that is about Razorpay. What do you think of Razorpay? Drop in the comments below. And if you're in the startup ecosystem looking for video production or content creation, you can reach out to me. My email will be on the screen. And I will see you in the next video.